Welcome everyone, Karina here from yarntotog.ca, and today I'll be showing you how to add these safety eyes onto Baby Yoda. So I have here 18 millimeter size safety eyes in the black, and I have already crocheted up to the point in the pattern where it says to pause, to stuff, and to add the safety eyes. And if you would like the pattern for this Baby Yoda, I'll put a link to that down below. I have it on for super cheap right now because Star Wars is coming up and everybody's gonna need a Baby Yoda to go to the movies with, I think. Okay, so in the pattern it says to add the stuffing and the eyes. It doesn't matter which order you do it in, it's totally your preference. I prefer to add the eyes first and then add the stuffing. So I'm going to show you here my safety eyes. So they have two pieces. It comes with the eyeball and then this little white piece here that will snap into the back. So the first thing I do is you can see here in the pattern how it's kind of got a bit of an oval shape, and my yarn, my working yarn, is still attached to it because it's going to be a continuous work all through the body to do. So this is the point just where we stop knitting, so my working yarn is still dangling there. So I want to look at my head, and I know that this is the front because the cheeks kind of protrude out a little here, kind of like an ovally shape. So I'm going to take, and I want my eyes to be about 2 finger widths apart-ish. And I want to line it up so that my eyes come down, let's see here, about to my knuckle from the top of the head. So right about here somewhere, I'll add in the first eye where I think I want it. And don't put the back on just yet. We're just gonna kind of place them, see where we want them first. And then we want to line up. So if I put it on this row right here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the 9th row down, I'm going to do that spaced apart evenly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I want it right about there-ish, about 2 finger widths apart. And I'm just going to poke it in and see if I like it first. Okay, so what do we think there? I gotta imagine it with a little dent here where I would put my nose. Would there be room to make a nose? Does that look like a good dent? Should it be spaced apart further? So kind of get all that lined up first. And you can use the example, the picture example there as well. And then once you've got it where you like it, where you think, yep, that's where I want it. So I've got about 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches in between on that one. So I got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from that side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I think I'm going to move this one over just 1 stitch. See if I like that better. So it's all your eye. The only thing here I really wanted to point out was that this is kind of like an oval shape here, and this is kind of the back of the work where our stitch marker is. So we're doing it on the front. Oh yeah, I like that. That's got a nice nose bridge there when I pull that yarn together. So don't put it on the weird curve over there. You want to put it on this kind of flat space there. Okay, so once you've got it lined up, you're going to take your back piece, okay, and they are going to go round it side down. And all you do is line it up and push until you hear the snap, snap, and it's on. So some people prefer to do it, they'll stuff it first and then add their eyes. I just like to do it this way because I don't like working around all the stuffing. I'm a bit of a klutz that way. I get it everywhere and snap. And there you go. Now we're ready to stuff it and carry on with our pattern. That's it for now. I hope this video helped. I'd love to see your baby Yoda. Follow me on Instagram or Twitter at yarn2tog, T-O-G, to share your work so I can see it. Or on Facebook at yarn2together. I'll share the links to those down below. Be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.